Numote is the company. They were mentored by Rob Holmes, who I believe is here tonight, who's new to the Philadelphia community, but in a very short period of time has made an impact, certainly at DreamIt. And the accounting firm accounting for these guys was Parente Beard, and the law firm was Drinker Biddle. I'll hand it to you.
I'm Vijay Kailas of Numote. It's a social TV platform. I'm going to be talking to you today about our exciting social platform for TV. The concept for Numote came about from my graduate school research at Harvard University. Before this research, I thought of TV as a sedentary activity. People sat and watched TV passively. I quickly realized that things are changing. 1 in 5 TV viewers are on their phones or laptops while they're watching TV. And 45% of teenagers are texting their friends they know are watching the same shows. And this number is even higher with iPad users. What we're seeing, the quality of this experience is limited because the tools are limited. People want to be social around their TV content, yet there's no social media components for TV. The average American has access to over 130 cable TV channels, yet there's no tools to search and sort this content. There's no recommendations for TV, and there's no personalization options. So we're seeing a large disparity between the tools we have to consume our online content and the tools we have to consume our content for our TV. Numote solves this problem. We're creating an ecosystem around the TV viewing experience to make it more social. And the nice thing is, we're not trying to change the way you watch TV, we're just trying to enhance your TV watching experience. So for example, think of what a user could do with our application. She could see what her friends are watching, and with one touch, send a comment whether she likes or dislikes this. Users can also interact deeply with the content itself. Users can see what their friends' comments and like and dislike these comments. Users can compete with their friends over their favorite shows and contestants of shows. And users can even see quotes from their favorite episodes and polls and quizzes from their favorite shows. We also have social notifications. These are real-time notifications that remind users of when their favorite shows are on and allow users to invite their friends to come watch with them. We allow you to invite your friends, even the ones that don't have our application yet. We also have an interactive guide where users receive social recommendations for shows to watch, as well as can browse by genre and mood, depending on what they want to watch. So if you're in the mood for a romantic comedy, you can just select romance movies, and you receive all the television shows right now, all the movies right now that are in the romance section. We also have a visually stunning iPad app in development with a rich look and feel. Doesn't it make you want to buy an iPad? The good news is that users engaging around Numote open up great revenue opportunities to display and deploy mobile advertisements. We see advertisers being able to add a layer of contextual data, so that's interactive or local data, so they're normally passive TV ads. So an example, say you're watching TV and a commercial for the movie Inception comes on. We can pop up this ad right here with local show times and a button to purchase tickets. We're seeing this as a great opportunity for advertisers to really engage users watching TV and create social competitions and interactivity around TV shows. So where are we now? We have an iPhone app out in the App Store. We've had 600 installs per week and around 50% user retained. Our users are using the application on average of a quarter of an hour per session, and our super users are using the application over an hour. People really like this quiz feature. We have 2,000 plus user-generated quizzes. One word used to describe this application is cool. Our users are using it to see what their friends are watching. They're using it to see, to promote the shows they love, and they're really getting around the polls and quizzes. Version 1 has given us an exciting opportunity to really see how our users are using the application and focus on those features for our next version. So a little bit about our team. I'm Vijay Kailas, CEO and founder of Numote. I research the TV industry at the Harvard Business School, as well as future interfaces for TV at MIT Media Lab. Our CTO is Paul Solga. He comes from a background at Google. He also developed the iPhone application for the largest Polish IM network with over 7 million users. Our front-end developer is here with us today is James Palantonio. He's an experienced iPhone developer and was a core developer on the iPhone application for Pizza Hut with over 200,000 installs in its first week. We also have great advisors, investors, and board members. David Rose from the Rosebud Seed Fund was an early investor. He's an active mentor and was instrumental in bringing us to where we are today. We also have advisors from the television, advertising, and mobile spaces. They're helping us make partnerships with complementary businesses. We're seeking $400,000. This will last us approximately 1 year and bring us to profitability. We're really excited about the upside. We're going to use this money to port our application to other platforms, which will be cheap since we have a common backend that powers all Numote applications. We're going to use it also for new feature development and to launch our interactive ad platform.